Namaste. I've got Kayla volunteering again. We're going to do our Yogalates with weights. So we're doing bicep curls. You have the option to first find your perfect alignment with the 7 loops and spirals. Option to have your butt up into neutral spine bridge, but we're going to stay right here. We're going to inhale here. This is how we get set up. Big inhale. This is perfect. As we exhale, imagine I have a little marble at the sternum. Exhale, all the breath goes out first. Hold strong, squeeze, don't crush the heart, and then hold strong, and now do a bicep curl. Keep squeezing the arms in, yep. And inhale, arms go by your side, beautiful, yep. Exhale, all the breath out, abs in, keep the heart high. There's a little trough that we're trying to get into. And then once you get all the breath out, you hold the abs in and bicep curl. Another variation is to lift the arms 1 inch off of the mat. Just make sure we keep squeezing into the shoulders and the heart lifts. So inhale, arms right by our side, holding strong. Keep squeezing into the shoulder wings. Hold, don't lock out the elbows. Exhale, all the breath out first. Hold the abs in, super strong. Squeeze the cheeks. And then hold strong. Bicep curls. Excellent. Namaste and thank you, Kayla.